Okay, so you can see here this radiation meter. I've got it set to RF, so these are electromagnetic frequencies. This is picking up pretty much microwave radiation. So a safe level in this case would be 0.2. In general, 0.2 or less is safe. And you can see this is 20 times or more higher than that. And I normally have been sitting right here. Sitting here, so I can't sit here anymore because for some reason there's this signal coming in here, and it's extremely high, and it's all over this entire room and this whole house I'm in. See? See, randomly, just any random part here in this room, now it's spiking 10, 15 times higher. Just right here, this is 2.6. And a safe level is 0.2. So this is how much microwave radiation I'm being exposed to. Here. See? I'll come in here to the bathroom area. Yeah, this is where I would normally brush my teeth and stuff. And as you can see, for some reason, I'm getting a measurement reading of 8.5. So there's no actual reason for this to be happening. I have unplugged my Wi-Fi. I used to use 10.0 now. Where is this coming from? I've got my phone on airplane mode right now, and every device in this house is wired other than my phone that's in airplane mode. Here, you see this? I go back over here now. Here, where I have been brushing my teeth. You see this? Yeah, I used to, this room here, you can see. Why is it spiking this high? Why? Who could be who or what could be causing this? See, this is I'm just documenting this for my own safety. So it's all over my house, or the house I'm staying in. It's what's going on. Oh, yeah. See? Where's it coming from? Here, this is right where this is where my head pretty much, because I sit on the floor here. So you see, this is what they're hitting me with now. I thought I was, when I first started sleeping in this room, using this room, the radiation levels weren't this high at all. There was no radiation spikes like this.